In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow someone on TradingView. Navigating this platform and keeping up with insightful traders and analysts can greatly enhance your understanding of the market, and here's how you can do it step by step. First, you want to head over to TradingView's website. TradingView is a dynamic platform that provides a host of tools for charting and analysis. It's important to have an account created, as this will not only allow you to follow other users, but also give you access to a range of features. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, you're ready to begin the journey. Once you have arrived at the TradingView homepage, the next move is to locate the search bar at the top of the page. Clicking on it will bring you options and tools that will help you look for specific content. Here, you can enter names of users or keywords related to the type of content or strategies you're interested in. After clicking on the search bar, an important step is to shift your focus to the People section. Toggling this option allows you to specifically search for TradingView members by their usernames. This feature is particularly helpful when you're seeking to connect with specific traders or analysts whose insights or methodologies have piqued your interest. Once you're in the People section, you can either scroll through lists or use the search option to pinpoint the traders or analysts you wish to follow. This is a space where you can really personalize your experience on TradingView, building a network of individuals whose trading styles align with your interests or investment goals. After identifying someone you want to follow, click on their profile. Here you might take a moment to review their past activity, including ideas, strategies, or educational content they have shared. Checking their profile can provide insights into how active they are and what kind of contributions they make to the community, ensuring they align with what you are searching for. Finally, once you've decided, look for the Follow button typically located below their profile picture or username. Clicking this button will add them to your followed list, and you'll start receiving updates on their activity directly on your TradingView dashboard or via notifications if you have them enabled. And there you have it. Following these steps on TradingView can enhance your trading experience by keeping you informed and inspired by other professionals and enthusiasts in the field. Whether it's through learning from their strategies or simply staying updated with their analysis, connecting with others on this platform can be a valuable addition to your trading toolbox.